Good morning, students. Today we are going to start tags and attributes. First tag, heading tag, H1 to H6. Heading tag is a container tag to specify the heading in a web page. H1 tag shows the largest font size and H6 tag shows the smallest font size. The syntax is open the H1 tag, text, close the H1 tag. There be attributes are there in the heading tag, that is align. The heading tag normally left aligned. Example, h1 align equal to center. That means you should write the attributes in the first tag, then means opening tag, and text, then close the h1 heading tag. The example is in the right side. Just go through the page, right side page. Here h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. H1 is the largest font size and h6 is the smallest font size. Another tag is paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is a container tag. That means open tag and closing tag. It is used to create a paragraph. The text you can type between the paragraph tag. Syntax, paragraph tag open and then documents which you want to give, then close the paragraph tag. Attributes also there, that is align attribute is there. In this paragraph, default align is left alignment. To change the alignment, just give it, just in the beginning of the paragraph tag, align equal to center, then type the text, then close the paragraph. Here in the right side it is given p paragraph tag, write the paragraph, after completing the paragraph close the paragraph tag, then again next paragraph starts with paragraph, then close the paragraph tag. If you want to use the attributes, align attribute, you can use in the beginning of the paragraph tag. Another tag is br tag. Br tag is an empty tag. It does not require an end tag. It is used to break the line, means that after break tag, the next tag will display in the next line. Syntax is br tag. It can be used anywhere in the text. Here it display, just go through it. Here we can use the br tag to break the line. Next one, that is called horizontal tag. Horizontal tag used to insert a horizontal rule or divide the documents with a line. It is an empty tag. It does not require an end tag. Syntax is HR. But inside that horizontal tag, the attributes are given there, that is align, size and width. Width means it reduces the width of the horizontal line. You can reduce the line. And then another is size. Size is to increase the size of the horizontal line. Align, that is to align anywhere, left, right or center. Here it is given the example, HR tag. The width is, I give it 80. The size, that means that is 3. And another is alignment, I give it center. Now I will show you the web page with all these tags and see the final output. See, this one is called HR tag, horizontal tag, and we reduce the horizontal tag, that is here, and here we can use the break line. That's why in between these two lines there be a gap between these two lines. So this one is the final web page of which is we can use these tags. Till now we have learned how to use some of the HTML tags and attributes. In the next class we will continue with the uses of other tags and attributes. Thank you.